Welcome back to Double R Restorations, where we finally have something good on this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on Project Sally. We're going to be taking out her seats, we're going to be working on the interior, taking out the SRS module and the locked up seat belts. Stick around.
Alright, so like Sammy said, we're going to be removing the seats from the Mustang, front and rear. We're going to be removing a lot of the center console so we can get the SRS module out, and the driver's side seat belt is locked up, so we got to go in after that. What we're going to do, we're going to put them nuts right back on those studs. Yeah, once we get the seat out. You make sure you're on it before you press the trigger. Hold down. You can hold down on this part too to make sure. Come loose. See, you ain't been working on this thing 10 minutes and already wanting the big guns. That's a different, that one's a different size.
You see where they're at?
Those are different sizes.
Yeah, they are different sizes. I just wanted to check. Okay. Oh, you got it.
So who gets to keep all the change?
It says change.
You can keep it. Where's the tab you're supposed to push back?
It's right there.
Alright, so right now the crew is struggling to get the back seat out. Oh, there it goes.
Struggling.
Oh, there, back here. What in the world?
Save all the money.
That's not money.
That's nasty. Why are the speakers breaking?
Y'all gonna get,
Yeah.
the speakers are underneath the seat?
Yeah, that's what I was.
Yeah, there's one on each side. Are we pulling out your way or?
That's
You can
weird.
pull it out.
That's weird.
You can pull it out your way.
Oh my gosh. You can tell we're working on a Ford. Side of your car.
Wait, do we have to take the tops out?
But I was closing that, so I don't take it.
Okay.
Go ahead and lay it right there with the rest of it.
Like right here.
Let her rip.
Let her rip. Hang on. We in there. How we gonna- The problem is I can't see what I'm doing.
Oh, I see.
You see?
Yeah, it's got a little.
But I wouldn't know how to like just pull that off.
Hey Sam, you know what rhymes with bird?
No.
Huh?
Said no. How is he pushing it like that?
It's like a door latch, oh. It's latched around the rod.
Yeah.
Tell you what, take this off. Alright, take this piece out. Now, what we need to do.
Oh, that's what we
Alright.
This is how we do it. By the way, this strap on the back seats releases it. We totally missed it when we took these things apart, and we was trying to figure out how to release it.
I was just making sure I could get in behind it. Ready? And just pull it straight off.
Yeah.
I just don't want to break it.
That's already broke.
Is it right here?
Well, this piece.
I just don't want to break this. This little screw thing.
See if it'll work like this. And then,
I just don't want to like
see.
pull it all the way out and break it
Yeah.
on accident.
Well, like we'll break it. See. There you go. Like that. think it's got some double stick tape or something.
Yeah,
there it
right
is.
here.
Yeah, now see, even pressure.
I think there's some more on this side, some more glue on this side.
Alright, so we'll have to replace this piece of tape right here, Sam.
I know it wants to, but I don't want to like straight muscle it off because I don't want to break any plastic.
I don't know if I can get that out of my way like that or not.
Poor car. Poor Sally.
Alright, Miss Rambo.
She's looking kind of empty right now, though.
So when the accident happened and the seatbelt locked up, this piece of plastic right here broke off of the lower quarter trim. So we will have to replace this piece or find this piece and re-glue it, one or the other. So here's that wiring connector that we've been trying to figure out how it disconnects from the seatbelt. How do we do it, Sam?
So this black piece right here, you just had to pull that out and pull it out, not up but out, and then you just comes right out.
Good deal. So now we can finish removing the rest of the seatbelt finally. Make sure you got a good grip on it. That torque's a spin on you.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, it's good.
Keep going. It ain't out yet.
There we go.
Does that bolt come out of that thing or is it locked into it?
I think it's locked into it.
Okay.
We might have to check that. And this just pulls up.
Alright, you should have another one down there at your feet.
My feet. Oh yeah, I see it.
Should be another, should be the same size as what you're using. Probably throw this out of your way if you wanna lay it on the other side. Alright, and then there should be, I believe that's a 14 millimeter. Griff had that somewhere.
Oh gosh. That's okay.
You can take that extension off. It may make it a little bit easier.
What are you talking about?
The extension on the long part of it. Alright. Good deal.
We got it. Is it attached to anything?
So next we're going after the SRS module. We've got to get this chrome ring off around the console. Alright, there's that piece.
Huh?
Silver piece?
Yeah, that silver piece ought to come out too somehow.
This, right?
Yeah.
Should I open this?
Pop it up.
Yeah, I see where one of them is.
We got all, but I think there's just one left. Let's see.
There it is.
There you go.
All right.
So we have a little something right here.
All right.
These are just to operate these buttons.
So do we just pull that out?
I think so.
Well, has it got a push pin on it or anything?
I can just.
Not on this side, it's just flat on this side.
All right, it looks like it may have one right here. So then, like that. All right, now let me see something. All right, so right there's our module that we're going in after. Right there is another penny to add to the collection. Here you go, Sam. Put this with the rest. That one just pulls out and then slides that way. But the best invention ever made is a ratchet wrench.
Holy grail.
This is what we came in after. We got our locked up driver's side seat belt and we got our SRS module. We'll be sending these off. Apologize for some of the filming. This is very difficult to film. We managed to get these parts out without breaking anything, and now we can move forward with the rest of the build. Alright guys, just a short little video on removing those parts. We had to get those parts sent off so that they could be repaired and returned to us so that we could move forward with the build. Little sneak peek, as you can see, we've already started disassembling the front end and taking an inventory of what we're going to need. If you like this project, be sure to subscribe. Also check out some of the other projects on the channel. There's a whole video series on our Project Overkill, as well as some great how-tos on restoration work. Until then, we'll see you next time.